Pakistan Day ho aur Bagallery pe sale na lage, impossible. Bagallery is having a mega sale with up to 77% discounts site-wide. Let me show you what I got. Her Beyond Stone Vitalizing Face Wash with added vitamin E. It keeps my skin bright and healthy. Mazdron's Bakutone Anti-Aging Serum is a collection of brilliant anti-aging ingredients. Add it in your skincare routine for youthful glow. Mazdron Sun Pro Sebum Control Sunblock is my absolute favorite. It's excellent for oily skin, especially in summers. The Ordinary's natural moisturizing factors for healthy skin barrier and glow. Swiss Miss M60 lipstick, which gives a stunning pink tint to your lips. You guys can see for yourself. It's transfer proof and perfect for everyday use, only in 260 rupees. Revolution Liquid Blush On in shade You Got Me Blushing is a perfect peach pink for blush on lovers. From Bagallery's home section, I got this beautiful double layered jewelry organizer. It's beautiful, compact, spacious and easy to travel with. Then we got this huge box from RTW. Their bags collection is exquisite and I got a pair. One is this beautiful brown crossbody bag and a matching tote bag. Quality is a 10 on 10. It's pretty spacious and looks so pretty. It's the kind of color which goes with every dress. Looks absolutely gorgeous, as you guys can see. Okay, bye. Wait. I got something for you. So one of you will get a chance to win this 10,000 rupees voucher. Follow Bagallery, follow my account, comment done, and participate in this giveaway and get a chance to win this huge voucher.